Hello. How is everyone doing? Welcome to the stream. Hopefully I fixed my microphone because yesterday it was not working properly. And hopefully now you can hear me better. Actually, let me just check how it sounds. It sounds way better than yesterday. Okay. So what I did yesterday after I finished the stream, I searched the forums of GameMaker trying to find how we can make the checkpoint system work, the save checkpoint and load checkpoint for the bonfires, and I found some information. Just 1 second. Okay, I found this in the save file. It's from another guy. I found it basically like from the forum of GameMaker 2. And this is the load. And as you guys can see, he's using ini files, not text like I was. I'm not sure if I want to use ini files or if I just want to keep going with text files, but I'm going to try to make this work like with this. And if it works, nice. If not, we're going to see what we're going to have to do in order to make it work. Where was it? Checkpoint system save. Load. Okay. So let's compare it with what we have. If files exist, file delete. No, okay, we don't need to do that. Open write. Okay, write real. In your write real. So in ini write real, he can have like save one, room idea, room. Okay, not sure if this is gonna work. Okay. Yeah, so it doesn't work like this. Let's check what ini write real needs. Write real string. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, you can use this function to write a value numeric to an ini data file. Ini files are split into sections, and then each other section is subsequently split into key value pairs. So the ini file would look something like this. Achievements 1, okay. This seems like it's better than text files that we're currently using, so we're probably gonna try and use this instead of the text files. Section, key, and the value. Okay. If files exists, let's try and using what this guy is using, but not exactly like this. If files exists, let's see what file exists. This function will return true if the specified file exists and false if it does not. Note that the function can be used to check local files, but not any file stored on a remote server. Okay, local files, that's fine. file delete. This function will delete the specified file from the system. It should be noted this function will only delete those files that GameMaker is able to create and parse. Ini files, text files, and binary files, and those will not delete any other function. Will return true. The file has space removed or false in any other circumstance. Okay. What does ini open do? This open for reading and writing. If the info file does not exist in the location you're checking, GameMaker may create one, but only if you write data to it. If you only read information from the info file. Okay, so basically we check if the save exists. Let's name it checkpoint save. Okay, file delete checkpoint.save. So basically what we're going to be doing is we are going to be checking if the file exists, and if it exists, then we are going to be deleting it. And then we're gonna be writing a new file for the save. Let's name it checkpoint.save as well. Okay, then what we want to do is ini write real save one. So this is gonna be the section key value. Okay. Checkpoint. Okay. So the section is going to be checkpoint. The key is going to be room ID here. This is going to be the player X and the player. Okay. This is going to save the value, the room that we are currently in. We're going to save all player X over here. And all player Y. Okay. Then we're going to close the file and show a debug message that says we saved the game. Okay. This seems fine enough. Let's. How do I comment this out? I forgot. I need to check. How to comment out lines in GameMaker. Okay. Comment out lines in GameMaker 2. Okay. Greetings from Germany, my man. How are you doing, man? How is Germany? Are you having fun? And thanks for dropping by. Let's move this down below and let's add this to the function. Okay. I would like to check if it saves properly, but let's do it in the third room because it's simpler to check it. Oh. Are you having a nice day, Mihai? Let's see if it saves. We should get a debug message if it works. Game saves. It saves continuously. Okay. This might be an issue, right? Because we're gonna get lag. Oh my god. We saved the game 1,000,000 times. Fuck. I mean, it works, but we should make it so it doesn't save it continuously 1,000,000 times. Let's see. Very nice, very good. Chilling on Sunday. Almost everything is closed here. Yeah, I think in Germany it's like they also close everything like after a certain hour. It's not like in Romania where you can you know, stay up in a club until 5 in the morning. They close everything at like 1 or 2 or something. I think, I'm not sure. I might just say random shit. Okay, so let's put like a timer, I guess. So let's see. The timer is gonna be is gonna be, I don't know, how much should we stop the player from, how much time should we wait until you can create a new save file? I don't know, like maybe like a minute. So that's 60 seconds, so probably like 6,000. Okay. Oh no, I put it in the wrong spot. Not here. I want it over here and at around 6, 8. Everything closes on the other days. That's. And what do people do? Do they go to the park? What are you gonna do today? Are you just staying in the house, chilling and stuff, or do you actually? Are you guys gonna? I don't know. I mean, if everything is closed, I don't know. You can take a walk or visit stuff, maybe. But what if you want to drink some water? I mean, probably like grocery stores and stuff are open, so that's fine, right? Some pubs are open. Oh, so it's not like a rule, a law there that does not allow you to keep it open. It's just a personal preference of the people that own it. It's nice. And what did you visit so far while in Germany? Did you go anywhere cool? So we have the timer. Let me check how I made the timer for another object. Not really. You went like, when did you leave? You left Thursday? Or when? Sunday equal family time? Yeah. Also, if you're here, is the microphone okay? Or is it weird? Because I tried to fix it. I had the gain up to like 500. So it was very weird, but now it hopefully sounds okay. Thursday, okay. I would also like to go to Germany sometime to visit. But I have some relatives there as well. But I don't know. It's so hard to plan everything and go to another country. I don't know how you manage to plan everything and just go. For me, it seems like it's insane to plan everything. I think it was in NPC. Oh, actually, I think it was here. No. I don't remember where I write the timer because I want to check it in another part. The sound is clear, but the volume is a little low. Is it better now? Can you hear me properly now? I turned it up in OBS. I had it a little bit lower because yesterday I was very loud. Yep, it's better. Nice. Wait. But yeah, I cannot remember where I put maybe here. Okay. I think this is it. The spawn timer. 4. But this is 4 seconds. So let's try this, I guess. Save checkpoint. Let's make it 60. What else did I write over here? Am I doing the planning? I'm just showing up. That's the same as I am doing. I really don't like planning at all. It's not literally that I don't like it, but I always mess something up or forget something, or and it breaks everything in the trip, you know. So I rather just have Yana do it as well. Because otherwise, everything goes to hell, and it's not a fun experience mostly. What's not working? Oh wow! It takes a while for the game to load. It's becoming so big. I mean, when I first started it, it was like instantly I pressed F5 to run the game, and it was like. Psh, and now I have to wait for everything to load, for files to be created, for a lot of stuff. Let's see if we have a timer. Wait. I mean, it's not gonna work now. Fuck, I forgot. If timer... Okay, that's the timer. And... if files exist, okay. File delete. If the timer is less or equal to 0, I think that's okay. If timer is less than equal to 0, we do all this. I want to show a debug message for the timer. So timer okay, and we do this, and then we set the timer to back to 60 seconds, right? Let's see if it works now. I need to go pick up my girlfriend from the train station as well. So this is not gonna be a very long stream, but hopefully I can get some stuff done. What happened? It doesn't go below... We're going for a walk in the city center. Wish you fun coding. I hope to see you soon in Bucharest when you're back. Cheers. Thank you, man, and thank you for coming by. It really means a lot. And have a great day. Hopefully you see some nice stuff. I'm trying to calculate 60 seconds past using this. What is wrong? I'm asking ChatGPT what to do. Click the time that until time which frame when it reaches 0, it's check however the song should your code. The problem lies in the placement of the timer variable and the saving logic. You need to store the timer outside of the function if you want to persist between function calls. Here's a correct so I need this to be outside. That's what it says. You need to call this function your game for appropriate. If the since the value between calls, the timer is decremented each frame and then reaches 0, the checkpoint is saved. Make sure. Okay, let's see if it works now. Hopefully it does. Thanks, greetings to Yana as well. Thank you, man. I'm gonna let her know you said hi when I see her today. Variable all player timer. Oh, I cannot declare it outside. I need to have it in the player. Okay. Let's see if it works now. Okay, so did it also save it? Oh, I need to have this at the bottom. Okay. Yeah. And then it's gonna run this, then it's gonna set the timer to 60. But I want it to run outside of the outside of this code. So let's maybe add this over here. I'll take a quick bathroom break, then I'll be back. One second. We are back. Let's see if it works now. Let's close this old one and let's open it. So we need to check the debug messages below. Let's see. So did it save the game? No, and it starts from that. So I think it's going down even when I'm not there, but it's just not showing the debug message. But we're not saving the game. Oh, we should start the game with the timer set to 0, right? And then change it to 60. So it saves for the first time, and then we can continue the game, right? Let's see. So we saved the game. Did it save it? Game saved, and then we have the cooldown, the timer. It's 58, 57, whatever. And then if I go back, it displays it from where it left off. Okay, so we have a 60-second cooldown now on saving the game. Cool. And now we need to make it so that we can load it. So this works so far. I don't know how I can... Okay. I'm trying to find... it probably is not saved locally. Okay, let's just see. Now when we load the checkpoint, let's use what it says over here. So we want to grab this entire thing, paste it down below in case we need it. Okay, there we go. So we have this function now. If files exist, I think I put it as a checkpoint. Save. Ini open. We want to open the file. Checkpoint. Save. And we're creating a room idea variable. Room idea, ini read real, save one. Oh, did I save it as save one or wait? What did I use? Checkpoint, okay. Checkpoint. We're gonna use checkpoint here as well. And we have player X and player Y, and we have room idea, which is the room. And we also want to create an instance of instance create player XY on the dead screen layer, and we want to create all black screen, and that's it. Okay, maybe before as soon as we get him in the room, we want to call this, not after we teleport him. Okay, he's probably not gonna be noticeable, but why not? Let's test it out now. Let's go in the... Okay, let's try it out. Hopefully it works. Okay, so we saved the game. And now we have to die. And what if we comment this out? Does it work? Is the problem still gonna be the checkpoint? That's fucked up. So we save the game. Then we die. Something is wrong, but I don't know what. We save the game over here. Then we walk and we die. Oh, I know what's wrong. Okay, I know what's wrong. We forget to also add. And I also think we have the all player. We have it set so that the save checkpoint. I don't remember where I had the. I'm pretty sure I have all black screen created somewhere else, so I don't have to create it over here. I'm not sure. We're gonna see. But the problem is that we're not saving the light timer variable. So we're gonna save it to checkpoint. It's gonna be light timer, light scale. It's gonna be all light timer, image x scale. Oh, I forgot to. There we go. So now it should probably, hopefully, be saved. Okay, and then we are gonna call that as well. All light timer image x scale is gonna be equal to ini read real checkpoint light scale I think light scale default. Okay, the first one I think. Let's see it now. Can you constant for variable name using light scale? That's a dot. Let's try it now. Do you guys like my little cup of coffee? Awesome, right? We save the game, all good. Then we die. Let's see what happens now. If all light timer image scale is less than or equal to 0, instance create layer. Okay, let's just delete this for now so we see what happens. So we found where we have the dead screen as well. Let's just see how it works. Okay, so we are back in. Let's see what happens when we die. We save the game, all good. Then we die and something breaks. Also, nothing works here. Something is... Oh, I used checkpoint with... Okay. Do I need to have it with Sav as well? Oh no, I think it was fine. It was fine, it just doesn't work. I want to see if I am saving these files, but I don't know how to check that. How do I check what files the game I am running creates in the... One second. Open the output window. Okay, there we go. Oh, I forgot to update the... Yeah, it was using the object player from the guy I got it from, but I need to change it to all player to be mine. Let's see. Hopefully it works now. So we save the game. And then we die. What happens? Nothing happens. What's wrong with this? Let's try and see. Let's open a new chat with ChatGPT and let's give him what we have and let's see if he has any opinions. Because I don't know what's wrong. I really don't know. I have the following script for saving checkpoint, and the following script for loading a checkpoint. I call save checkpoint when a player is near has a place meeting with a certain object, and I call load checkpoint when the user loses his entire torch scale, or it, so if it is then okay. Why does it not work? Okay, let's see. Oh, I forgot to open up the keyboard chattering fix, because if I don't have this, my keyboard is really messed up. So if I don't have this open, I type stuff like a bunch of times. You provide script seems to be written in 6 times similar to GameMaker language. It's essential to troubleshoot the steps. Check for errors. It's in GameMaker too. Sorry. I already have this. Okay. If file exists, checkpoint save, file delete, checkpoint save, time after. Okay, so not really helpful. And in the load, it's the same shit. So maybe instead of using SAV files or ini, we can use JSON. So this does not work apparently. I want to keep the timer though. Because I don't think the timer is the issue. I think everything else other than the timer is the issue, so we're gonna try and fix that. Okay. Oh, 1 second. So in save checkpoint, we can create a struct. Okay. I want to create a struct and save it to a JSON file. Needs to have the devices as well as the where is currently in. Okay, I think I got it. Let's see. So we make the struct first. Apparently this is how I make them in GameMaker. Okay. Y. I also want to have room, and I also have to have. I want to have. I don't think I can name them X like this. So it doesn't work like that. Okay, so it's just not like this. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. I'm not sure if this is the best way to do this. Yo, what's up, Midnight Ghost? How are you doing? You're having a nice day? Oh, it was Jason Pars. Oh, no, this one. Good, how about you? I'm trying to make a checkpoint system for my game so that it saves the player's room, position, and the HP, basically the torch level that he has when he walks near one of these areas with green, which is basically near a bonfire. But I have tried using text files, ini files, and I'm trying to make a JSON because it doesn't work like I want it to work. Basically, it saves the X and the Y and the light torch, the light level, which is the HP, but it doesn't save the room in which the player is, which is really fucked up because you don't want to basically just be teleported randomly at some coordinates. You want to actually be teleported back to the room you're in where you made the save. So that's what I'm trying to do, and it's not going that well. Where was it? And right now I'm just reading about how to make this work. Oh, that's interesting. Good luck. Thank you, man. Hopefully it works out. I'm not sure what this does, to be honest. If you want to check out the game, I have some videos, and if you want to wishlist it, that would help a lot. It's in the description of the video, if you're interested, obviously. Okay. Alright, I'll have a look at it. Yeah, if you want. I mean, it's not in the best spot right now. I'm trying to make it work. If you want, I can show you some stuff from the game. Too much. It's also so cold outside, and I have not eaten today. I just have this little cup of coffee, see? Which I am drinking right now. So if I understand it correctly, this JSON stringify is gonna make me a JSON file. In which it is gonna have this struct with checkpoint data, but yes, it's a statement, okay? Why is it an unnecessary string? Dude, you worked a lot on that? On what do you mean? On the game itself or what? Hey, if the game... I spent a lot of time on this, yeah. Yeah, I did spend a lot of time. Probably like 500 hours so far of actually doing the game, and not including the YouTube and everything else I try to do for marketing and stuff. But I get burned out after working on it for a long time, you know? I'm planning on launching it in June. This is like I have like a Trello for the game. Okay. With everything I need to do. And right now I'm working on what? Where was it? I wanted to change how the coins work as well. I need to work on the level design, and I wanted to... I don't have it? Oh yeah, there we go. Checkpoint from bonfires. This is so difficult in GameMaker because it's so hard to make this work. I'm basically trying to create, to like save the some stuff for the player, make a file, then call that file, take the data out, and throw it in the game again. And the usual route kind of works, but the problem is that it does not properly save the room in which I am in. So I'm trying to find a way to make it work. So, do you also play games, or do you just watch YouTube? What do you like to play? Oh, yeah, that's what I've been saying for the past hour as well. Oh, fuck. Oh. I play a game and also watch YouTube. Nice. What games do you like? I don't understand why it doesn't want to understand this. Okay. Okay. Call of Duty, the latest ones, or which one do you play? Minecraft, and so I also liked Minecraft. When I was younger, I used to play it a lot. Did you play the latest one? I didn't buy the Modern Warfare 3 game. I have this. Oh, I liked playing the campaign from Call of Duty games. I think they're very nice. I also liked Warzone, but I just didn't play it. It didn't feel so nice to play lately, so I have not played it for a long time. I have been playing Escape from Tarkov lately more. And obviously working on my game. Okay. The latest Modern Warfare, which one was it? Like 3? Did you buy it? Did you play the campaign? I couldn't pay the money for it, honestly. It didn't seem like they added enough stuff to make it worth it. It's basically like a DLC to the Modern Warfare 2. But maybe you liked it. I don't know. I would like to play it, but I just don't want to play that much for like a game that is so small. You know. I mean, it's small. It's not even the fact that it's small, because it's a nice game. Obviously, it's just that the effort put into it is probably, you know. it's actually worth it if you like FPS games. I mean, I do like FPS games. It's just that I don't know how to explain it. It's I don't feel like the experience of playing Modern Warfare 3 is any different than I bought Modern Warfare 2 and I think it's the same game basically. From what I watched on YouTube and from what I watched gameplay wise, it seems like the same game. So I just play Modern Warfare 2, right? It doesn't seem like it's anything newer than that. I will buy it eventually, but maybe at like a discount or maybe, you know, at one point, maybe I'll get it from someone or something. Because I do like the campaigns and I want to play it and I want to see how it continues from the second one, but you know. So we create the JSON. Okay. And then we want to save it. Convert the object to a JSON string. Create checkpoint data object. Save the JSON to a string. Var file. Oh. Let me just run the game fast. I actually want to make, like, after I finish with this game and launch it in June, I want to make a game which is gonna be in style like this, but I want to make it like an extraction shooter, you know, like Stalker or Metro, Call of Duty, games like that, but still in this style of like 2D with the lightning and everything, because I really like how it looks, but just make it very cool. And like I want to have like different body parts on the character in which you like whenever you equip gear it actually shows, like I think it would be very nice. Maybe make it co-op or something, but that's also gonna take like 2-3 years. You're a W programmer. Thank you, but I have a lot of work to do. Oh my god, this is so loud. Okay, so let's file text open right, and we want to make a checkpoint.json file. We want to file text write string file JSON string. Okay, then that's gonna write our struct into it. Okay, file text close, then we want to close it, right? Okay, I wish there was a way that we can see actually the files that we create, but I don't know how to do that, honestly. Number of arguments for function file text close expected one dot file. Okay, I need to type file here. Okay, and these two, player Y and player, where do I reference this anywhere? Okay, whatever. What time is it? 3? I'll probably stream for like half an hour more. I want to do some streams where I also play games, hopefully, but I don't know what to play. Okay, so that works, and it says it saved the game. Let me check. No. Oh, I think I removed the debug message, but it works because, you know. Let's do this. When we get to this point, let's also print out a debug message with game has been saved or something like that. Game saved. Maybe I could stream like, I don't know. I would maybe like to stream Escape from Tarkov. Oh, I got a subscriber I didn't even see. Thank you. If you subscribe, Midnight Ghost. I actually like those pixel games. I mean, they are nice. I like them as well. Like, I like how my game even looks. Even if it's not the best game in the world, obviously, it's not that awesome. I like how it looks, and I like pixel games. But, you know, I also like games like Call of Duty and other games that look nice. And, you know, not necessarily pixel art. I don't have a, you know... I play whatever game I like. Man, the torch goes down so fast. What the hell? Okay. Let me see if that saved. Yeah, it's saved now. Okay. So we created this, and now let's go to the load checkpoint. Based on this code, make me a load checkpoint script in game maker 2 language. Okay, let me go over here. Let's save this. There we go. And let's give ChatGPT the code and see what's up. What's this? Certainly, here's the corresponding flow checkpoint. If file exists, checkpoint JSON, open the file for reading. This actually seems fine. Let's see. I mean, if without the function, yeah. Let's see if it works. Never give up. This will be an amazing game. Thank you, man. I hope it will be a game worth playing for people that are gonna get it and play it. I don't know if it's gonna be amazing. Hopefully it is, but I hope it's just gonna be a nice experience for the people that are gonna buy it and play it, you know? I plan on giving away a lot of copies anyways. Like, I'm probably gonna give away like 1,000 keys or something. It's not gonna be people that are gonna buy it, sure, but I'm gonna base myself on just having people play it. So we save the game. And let's die and see what happens. Able to find instance for object in this script load checkpoint var player x checkpoint data x. Checkpoint data pxy. It should be there. Let's see. Yeah, hopefully, man. It would be very nice to have the game actually do well. I don't expect, you know, critically acclaimed success. I just want like maybe like 50 people, 100 people to play the game and say anything about it. If it's nice, if it's bad, if it's whatever. That's basically the purpose of the game, you know. There's an issue in your life, just to access the page, but just the object presumably your player cannot be found. Oh my god, this is so bad. Okay. Let's delete everything again. And I'm gonna work on something else. I'm gonna come back to this eventually. This does not want to work. I mean, this works fine if you are in like if you're in a room and you die in that room. You're gonna get teleported back to the bonfire at the start of the room, which is fine. But I'm not sure I'm gonna have bonfires at the start of every room, so I need to have it so that you can get teleported in other rooms and stuff. So yeah, let's just move on and maybe do something else. Let's see how the game looks so far, because I have not tried it out in a while. Okay. Let's start it up. And let's see where we're at, where we are at and what we can add right now. Or modify or make better and stuff like that. Okay. This is like an animation at the start. Oh, you can't actually see the entire game. We go up. We pick up this rock. Place it down. Then we have to pick up this key. Open the door. And move on. Okay. Here you have to press X. That opens the door, and here we have a piece of cloth, so we don't die, hopefully. It would suck if we die right now. Okay. Going up. And I want to change this room up a bit. I don't like how it looks right now. Oh, this doesn't have a collision. Okay, so I need to fix that. Okay, so add a collision for this object and remove the turkey leg and the cloth, I think. Okay. It should have a collision. What? Collision layer. Let's test it out. Why does it not work? There is obviously... I put a collision there. It just doesn't want to work. Let's see. So we woke up to this and... Oh, the collision is too high. Oh, okay. So it's there, it's just... Okay. Let's adjust this a bit. Let's make it like this. Probably that's fine. Yeah, let's see. That's a lot of hard work. If I was you, I would be lost and confused. Deserve more subs than you got right now. I don't know. I appreciate the kind words, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, that looks nice. It's okay. I just want, like, as I said, my purpose is to get like 50, 100 players to just naturally come to the game and play it. That's like my main purpose, you know? I don't want anything more than that or less. I mean, less, whatever, it happens. But that would be the best scenario for the game right now and for my YouTube channel. Like 50, 100 players playing the game when I launch. Best scenario. Okay. So let's also remove these objects from the ground here. On what layer are they even? The player layer, okay. We remove those two, we left the... I hope your goal will be achieved. Yeah, man. Thank you. I hope so as well. It's like slow and steady, right? A little bit at a time, like you coming in right now. One more person to wishlist, to subscribe, whatever. It's every day you get something like something more, right? If you work on it, I guess. I have the coins over there. I think this level is fine for what it is. Yeah. There you go. Your name was not... Nothing is possible. Nothing is impossible, right? What did you mean, nothing is possible? I hope the microphone is really okay today, because yesterday it was really bad. Impossible, yeah. I just want to see. This is like the final level that I made so far. Actually, we could make a sprite for this guy today if you want. So this is like a monster, a spider stingy monster. I made a video on YouTube as well about this. It follows this path and it chases the player around, and if he catches him, he makes the torch go down very, very fast. And this guy, this is another monster. This monster, if he catches the player, he's gonna like, how do I say, teleport the player in one of like 4 random locations. Like if you get hit by this guy, you can teleport here, over here, over here, I think over here or something like that. I think we should work on this level because it's it needs some help. And I recently got an idea for the teleporter monster, which I think I'm gonna start working on right now. So let's open NPC, not NPC, character models, player. This one I think I need. This is the other monster that we made. The mic is really good. Nice, man. I'm glad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the teleport monster be exactly the same sprite as the player, but it's gonna be like a television, like the old televisions when they don't work and you have like interferences, whatever. Nice imagination and good ideas how the map and the game is made up. Yeah, thank you, man. It really means a lot. But if you have any ideas or if you want me to add anything or stuff, feel free to talk with me. I always liked when I streamed on Kick before I streamed on YouTube. I always liked when people give me their feedback and ideas while I was doing this live. because that really helps with you know, trying to make the game better. Because in the end, I want other people to play it. I don't want to play it myself. Wait. Okay, so let's open a new one. Height is gonna be 16, and how much is 16 times 16? 256. Okay. Okay, so we have these two. Let's copy this. Put it over here. And let's see what we can make work. I honestly like some examples. At the shop for the coins. I don't know, you can buy like cloth maybe, or like later in the game, like I have like a turkey leg which you can pick up and it gives you a speed boost, and the cloth item which adds HP basically to you. It's like a heal up item. But the game doesn't actually have HP. You have like the torch, which you need to keep lit, right? That's how you survive the game. And if your torch dies, you basically lose. Yeah, like a place where you can use your coins. Yeah, because right now there is nothing to do with the coins. But I have also like this NPC. Wait, let me show you. Which I did nothing with him because... where is it? Yeah, I made this guy, which I'm trying maybe make this a shopkeeper. That's how I call the file, shopkeeper. And he has an animation where he like spins a coin up and down. Like this. And maybe this guy can be somewhere in the game and you can like buy stuff from him. Like in Binding of Isaac where you have like stuff on the ground. Wait. Maybe something like this. You have like this is going to be like the shopkeeper. And these are going to be like the items you can buy. And to buy them, you just walk on top of them, right? And if you walk on top of them, you get them added to your inventory. Or you like, and you spend the coins or whatever, right? Yeah, that's a good idea. But I need to see where I'm going to add this. Probably later down in the game. Because right now, I'm still making the beginner levels. So they're quite easier. You don't really need to spend the coins. But later on, maybe you can spend them when you have like a bonfire once in 2-3 levels, or you don't find cloth and pickups as often. Maybe that's gonna be when the shop is gonna be really interesting. Use paint for the character. No, this is like I opened paint to show you that this is like Asseprite. It's like for pixel art, basically. You just, it's a program that I use for pixel art, you know? Because you can draw like pixels. You don't have to draw like hand drawn, because I cannot do that. I can barely do pixel art, like this sucks, basically. Yeah, I didn't hear about it. It sounds cool. It's very useful if you have no idea how to draw stuff. I consider myself to be really bad at this, at the art part of the game. So I need to have some leverage in order to be able to make it work. Okay. One second. So this is gonna basically be what the monster is gonna be, the teleporter, like this, like from old TVs. You did the game all by yourself? Yeah, mostly, yeah. I mean, mostly. A friend helped me with a couple of things because he's a programmer, but like, I don't know, probably like 5 hours of his time. And other than that, I paid someone to make me the art for Steam. And I'm working with a friend to like make the story now. But other than that, like everything else I made myself, yeah. It's basically entirely by myself, yeah. Let's see how we can make this work. Wait. Maybe a darker blue like this. Let's see. Maybe some more even grayer white like this. Something like this. How does it look? And the player is gonna, like, the monster that's gonna teleport you is gonna have this skin. Obviously, I'm gonna make all of them like this. And he's gonna have the same animations as the player. But it's gonna be like this. Let's see how it looks. Why do I have such a large one? Okay, one again. So I used these 4 and the black. Okay. Maybe something like this. Oh yeah, I really like how it looks. I think it looks very nice. I mean, in the game it's gonna look way different, but it's gonna be awesome. That's a... Oh, I cannot wait to finish this. But this is gonna take a while because I'm doing it by hand, obviously. Let's continue working on this. After I finish this one, I'm gonna see how it looks in the game. There's the effect when he dies. No, I have a monster which when the player collides with him, with that monster, he gets teleported randomly on the map. And I want that monster to be the player, but with this effect on him, right? So I'm just making the monster. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Save as. Monster. As teleporter. Strip 16. Game maker, okay. Sprites. NPCs. Let's make a new group called monsters. Let's create a new sprite. As teleporter. Okay. As teleporter test. And let's import that. Where is it? Character monster. Not here. Wait, where did I save it? Oh, I saved it as a sprite. I need to save it as PNG. There we go. Five. Okay. 1 second. Middle center. Okay. We're gonna change it with the teleporter test sprite, so we just test how it looks on the player. And then we're gonna go back to making it the player run. Because I just want to see how it looks. And you can also see how it looks if you want. Okay, so this is how it looks normally, and this is how the monster is gonna look. Oh, that's very nice. Look, man. This is how the monster is gonna walk around, you see? Okay, obviously for all directions, but yeah. I really like how this looks. Nice. What time is it? Oh, okay. I have to go for now because I have to go pick up my girlfriend from the train station. But hopefully I'm gonna finish this by the time I stream next time. And we can work on, and hopefully finish the checkpoint system as well. And we can work on some more fun stuff next time I'm gonna stream. So thank you so much for coming. It's cool. I'm glad you like it, man. I like it as well. Thank you so much for dropping by and talking with me. Alright, see you next time. I'll see you and have a great day, everyone. Goodbye.